Hi, dear teachers. This one, it's about word problem, and this is our first word problem. And as you can see, we are allowed to use a calculator. So it's saying the cost of 12 cookies is $7.56. The first thing that I need to get your attention is, since I have 12 cookies and $7.56, that means each cookie is going to be less than $1. So that means I'm talking about cents, not dollar. Each cookie costs the same amount. Okay, what is the cost of 14 of these? So let's see the price of one cookie. So that means what? Since the price of one cookie, we know that it's going to be in cents, not in dollars, so I can transfer the $7.56 in cents, which means 756 cents. So I'm going to write this number, 756. And I'm going to divide it by 12 cookies. And I'm going to start to do my calculation. So can I divide 7 by 12 for sure? No, that means I'm going to take the 75. 75 divided by 12. I can assume if it's maybe 6, we'll check. 6 times 2 equal 12. I have 1, 6 times 1, 6, and 1, 7. Perfect. 72 is less than 75, so I can do the subtraction. I will have 3. Now I'm going to ask the 6 to come down. This is easy number since 36 divided by 12. Right away, it's going to be 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 1 equals 3. Perfect. That means 63 cents each cookie. Now, the question is, they are saying, what is the cost of 14? Why I take this one, I can say some student, they can take the value of the one cookie and multiply it by 14. But there is another thing. If I have already the 12 cookies, how much they have? It's $7.56. Why I don't add to the 12 another 2 and that's it? So I can take the 63 cents and I multiply it by 2 to get the value of 2 cookies only. So 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 6 equals 12, 2 times 0, 0, and 1, that means $1.26. This is the amount of 2 cookies. And I have for 12, why I don't add it? It's going to give me the price for 14 cookies. So $7.56, this is for 12 cookies. I'm going to add the price of the 2 cookies, $1.26. It will give me the price for 14 cookies. So 6 and 6, 12. I have 1. 5 and 2, 7 and 1, 8. 7 and 1, 8. That means $8.82. This is the price of 14 cookies. So right away, it's number C, the correct answer. Even if you don't have calculator, if you have calculator, no problem. You can do it with calculator, whatever you like. But I prefer that you practice right now doing that without calculator in case you will have something like that and they are not allowing you to use a calculator. So this is as a practice how we can use the division to find the price of one cookie, and after that I multiply this price by 2 to get this total $1.26. I add the price of 2 to the 12. I will get the price of 14 cookies. Thank you for listening.